just a regular day. What the heck? This is in our house. Regular suburbia. Like, is that a garden snake? He's a different color. I don't really care for that. What do you think? Babe.
I think it's a garden snake.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
He's kind of... How did he get in?
How does any critter get in?
Oh my gosh. What in the world? I'm glad I didn't roll up on him. That would have been terrible. Okay, he better not move like too much. I'm gonna get away. I can't do this. I don't like snakes. Okay.